Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So welcome back to the another session of learning English and improving your English speaking with me. Today's sessions I am going to address you something that is extremely important for everybody, whether you are intermediate or advanced. I have already completed the 10 tips and today's day 2. So 10th, have fun. Learning English should be fun. When you have fun, you will start to learn more. You can play games in English, you can sing songs in English, you can watch funny movies in English, you can talk to your friends in English. You can do many fun things in English. When you have fun, you will learn better. 11th, use technology. Today we have many tools to help you us learn English. You can use apps on your phones. There are many apps that can help you practice speaking English. Some apps can help you learn new words. Some apps can help you with your pronunciations. You can also use the internet. You can find websites that can help you learn English. You can watch videos on YouTube. You can find online courses. Technology is very helpful for learning English. 12th, make English speaking friends. Having friends who speaks English is very helpful. You can practice speaking with them. They can help you with your mistakes. They can teach you new words. You can learn about their cultures. You can learn how people speak English in the different countries. Making friends who speak English can be very fun and helpful. 13th, 13th, watch English news. Watching the news is a good way to learn English. You can learn about what is happening in the world. You can learn new words. You can learn how people speak in different situations. You can watch news on TV. You can watch news on the internet. Watching the news can be help you improve your English. 14th, join an English speaking club. Many places have clubs where people meet you speak English. You can join these clubs. You can meet new people. You can practice speaking with them. You can learn from them. Joining an English speaking clubs is very good way to practice and improving your English. 15th, travel to English speaking countries. Traveling is a great way to improve your English. When you travel, you have to speak English. You have to talk to your people in hostels, restaurants, and shops. You have to ask for directions. You have to communicate with people. Traveling to English speaking countries can be very fun and helpful. 16th, use flashcards. Flashcards are a good way to learn new words. You can make flashcards with new words. You can write the words on one side. You can write the meaning on the other sides. You can look at the flashcards every day. You can practice saying the words. Flashcards are very helpful for learning new words. 17th, record yourself speaking. Recording yourself is a good way to practice. You can listen to yourself. You can hear your mistakes. You can hear how you sound. You can practice saying the words correctly. You can ask your friends or teachers to listen to your recordings. You can help you with your mistakes. Recording yourself if is very helpful for improving your English. 18th, mimic native speakers. Mimicking is a good way to learn how to speak. You can listen to native speakers. You can try to speak like them. You can copy their pronunciations. You can copy their intonation. You can copy their rhythm. Mimicking native speakers can help you sound more natural when you speak English. 19th, read aloud. Reading aloud is a very helpful. When you read aloud, you can practice speakings. You can hear how the word sounds. You can practice your pronunciations. You can practice your intonations. You can practice your rhythm. Reading aloud is a very good way to improve your speakings. 20. Practice with a partner. Having a partner to practice is very helpful. You can practice speaking with your partners. You can help each others with mistakes. You can learn from each others. You can practice conversations. You can practice asking and answering questions. Practicing with the partners is a good way to improve your English. 21st, use as a mirror. Speaking in front of mirror can help you. You can see yourself when you speak. You can see your mouth. You can see how you say the words. You can practice your facial expressions. You can practice your gestures. Using a mirror can help you improve your speakings. 22nd, participate in online forums. Online forums are a good place to practice English. You can join forums where people discuss different topics. You can read what the other people writes. You can write your own comments. You can ask questions. You can answer questions. Participating in online forums can be help you practice writing and improving your vocabulary. 23rd, write script for conversations. Writing scripts can help you prepare for conversations. You can write down what you want to say. You can write different response. You can practice the scripts. You can practice saying it aloud. Writing scripts can be help you feel more confident when speaking. 24th, learn about different cultures. Learning about the cultures can help you understand how people use English. You can learn about customs. You can learn about traditions. You can learn about how people greet each other. You can learn about how people talk in different situations. Learning about cultures can help you communicate better. 25th, set goals. Setting goals is a very important. You should set a small goals. For examples, you can set a goals to learn 5 new words every day. You can set a goals to practice speaking for 10 minutes every day. You can set a goals to read 1 book every month. Setting goals can help you to stay motivated.